Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the drain hose on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is either a 1/4 inch or a 5/16 inch nut driver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to gain access to the bottom of the dishwasher, which will involve removing that lower access panel. We've also found that in most cases when changing a drain hose, it's almost easier to pull the dishwasher completely out of the cabinets because typically that drain hose is attached to the cabinet somewhere in behind. So we'll want to disconnect the power, turn off the water supply, and then remove that lower access panel so that we can pull the dishwasher out. Now that we've pulled the dishwasher out of the cabinets, we've laid this one on its side so we gain better access to that drain hose connection to the drain pump. And depending on your model, it may use either a 1/4 inch or 5/16 hex head screw in that clamp. So we're just going to remove that clamp. And of course there will be water in that hose. We'll slide the clamp up onto the hose and then just wiggle that hose off of the pump outlet. And then we'll trace it back to where it connects to either the drain or to an extension and disconnect it there where we can pull it completely out of the cabinets. Now, before we install the new drain hose, just check that outlet check valve on the pump. Make sure that there's nothing obstructing that. Then we'll take our new drain hose. We'll slide the clamp over the large end of the hose. And we're going to fit that down over the pump outlet and push it on all the way until it bottoms out. And we're going to secure that clamp. And then we'll route that drain hose up above the support rail on the bottom here, up the side of the tub. And we'll make sure that that's secured to the height of the cabinets before we connect it to the drain. Once we've done that, we can put the dishwasher back into position and reconnect it to the cabinets, and we'll leave the access panel off until we run a cycle just to make sure that we have no leaks at this connection. Now that we've verified that we have no leaks, we've reinstalled the lower access panel and reattached the dishwasher to the cabinets, and our repair is complete.